Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to use this app called App Pause. I made a video about it. It was one of the apps that I featured in the video I made. I'm going to leave a link to the video if you're interested in finding out about other apps. And I'm also going to leave a link to the app. If I forget to do that, please let me know in the comments and I'll leave a link. Okay, so after getting to the Play Store, just tap install to install it. After installing it, open it. Now, as you may know, this app is used for stopping other apps from opening for some time. Maybe you have apps that you want to avoid opening all the time, then you can use this app to stop that. Okay, so right now it says that the app is inactive, like you can't use it. You have to fix some things. So tap fix, tap continue, and then tap open accessibility settings and look for the app. So it is up here, tap it and then enable it. Go back. Next is battery optimization. You want to disable it so that the app doesn't stop working in the background. So tap allow, tap done. Okay, I think it is done. Anyways, so now what you want to do is tap customize, then tap monitored apps. Here you're going to choose the app that you always open and you want to stop opening. So for example, let's say TikTok. I don't use TikTok, but I know a lot of people who do. So I just searched for TikTok. I'm going to check it and I'll search for Chrome, the browser, and I'll check it. I have the beta version of Chrome, but here should be the first one, so you can check it as well if you want to stop always opening the Chrome browser. After you have selected all the apps you want, just tap save changes. Okay, up here you have to grant this, tap continue, select the app from the list and then enable it, go back, and yeah, for now I have selected TikTok and Chrome. Okay, so this is it. So those are the apps that I've selected. Let me switch this to light mode. Okay, it should be, I think it's better this way. Anyway, so if I go to pause type, the pause type should be a countdown timer. So select it. There's another option here, but I will not recommend using it. And then this is how long you wait before the app opens. So by default it is set to 14 seconds, but since this is a tutorial I'm going to bring it down to like 3 seconds. But if you want, you can go as high as it stops at 600 seconds, so that's a lot of time to wait for an app to launch. That should be ideal to stop you from opening apps all the time. But anyways, let's select 4 seconds and then tap save. Okay, so we have selected 2 apps and we'll have to wait for 4 seconds before the app will open. But 4 seconds is very short. If you are really serious about this, then you'll go for a longer time, a longer wait time. And you can do some customizations here, but for now, let's just leave it the way it is. Okay, so let's try opening the TikTok app. So after the TikTok app was opened, you can see the countdown timer here, and it's going to ask you to either continue or close the app. And over here it will show you how long you spend on TikTok. Now I don't use TikTok a lot. As you can see, I've only spent like 2 minutes this week on TikTok, so I don't use it at all. I only use it when I have to make tutorials like this. Okay, so you have 2 options. You can either keep using TikTok or you close the app, like close the TikTok app. So by default, so normally you just tap close app. That is if you're always opening the app and you want to stop yourself. So I'm going to do it again. So as you can see, it is asking me if I want to continue or close the app. So let's see what happens when you tap continue. So I'll tap continue and it's going to ask you how long you want to use TikTok for. So up to 15 minutes is the highest, and then you tap use, but I don't want to use TikTok, so I'm going to close this. Okay, so let's do the same for Chrome. I'll tap the Chrome app icon, and as you can see, it's going to do a countdown as well, and I can decide if I want to use the app. The app has some other features, but this is what you need to know in order to use it well. And with that said, thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.